everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today let's make plantain meatballs and cutlets. Wash, peel and cut 2 to 3 plantains. Boil them with little salt until they are tender. Drain and cool them down. Peel the remaining skin of the plantain with help of a spoon. Mash it with help of a fork. In a large bowl, add in the plantain, 1 cup of grated paneer or tofu, half a cup of chopped onions, 2 green chilies chopped or to taste, 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green onions, 2 tablespoons of oats flour or cornstarch, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of salt or to taste, 2 teaspoon of low sodium soy sauce. Mix until all ingredients are well incorporated. Form meatballs and cutlets with this mix. Friends, I'll be deep frying the meatballs and pan frying the cutlets with very little oil. Now let's make cutlets. Divide the mix into equal portions and shape into flattened discs. Making a hole in the cutlet like this will help it cook through faster. Okay friends, it's time to fry the meatballs. Preheat 2 cups of oil in a pot on medium-low flame. Add in the meatballs very carefully in the oil. Friends, make sure the oil is not very hot. Fry them until golden brown. These are ready. Now let's pan fry the cutlets. In a preheated pan on medium-low heat, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add in the cutlets. Cook on each side for 2 minutes. These are ready. Serve with sweet and sour dipping sauce and spicy mayo. Plantain meatballs and cutlets are ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.